Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to do a really cute poof ponytail. I'm actually wearing the same dress I did in another video, so I'm showing you how one dress can look totally different if you just change up the accessories, the shoes, and like the purse and the hairstyle. So my hair is clean today, but I would recommend doing this on a little bit dirty hair. Like a day or two dirty would be fine. When my hair was wet, I put my KENRA root lifting spray on my hair everywhere. I put it on the roots and I sprayed it in the mid shaft, and I also sprayed it on the ends. So I used probably like 20 squirts on my whole head. And then I combed out my hair with the Glamhairus Wonder Comb, and I just let it air dry. Nothing fancy. So what I'm going to do first is, what I'd like to create is something that has a little bit of height here, and then it is going to be in a ponytail. A lot of my clients ask me how to get poof in their pony, and they think it's all one section, but that's actually not the case. It's usually two sections at least. Some people like a little bit of flatness here, and they like height here and then in the pony. So this trick will work either way. Today I'm going to show you how to do it from here, the height, but you can let your hair have that natural part and then do the height here and then do the pony. So it's kind of the same technique. So what I'm going to do first is take my Glamhairus Wonder Comb. I'm going to get a little bit of height in the front of my hair. Just pulling it straight up. I'm going to tease it. You just go down. And when you let go, it should, let me re-tease that. My hair's really clean right now. So when you let go of your hair, it should kind of stand up. Then you know you got a good section for the first section. It's very soft today because it's very clean. I had to clean it twice because it was super dirty. So I'm going to just re-tease it a little bit. Sometimes, see, that's better. Sometimes what I'll do is, if it's sticking up when I'm done spraying it, I'll take a little bit of KENRA hairspray, kind of spray the back part of it, give it a little bit of like reinforcement, or I'll spray the front of it. I'm going to take my next section. I just want a little bit of height, like just in like the front part here. But I think you just need to make sure, most people probably don't tease their hair as much as they should. I always say tease more if you think, put more spray, take more sections. Most of my clients, if they want height in the crown area, they only literally tease this top part. But if you want height in the crown area in general, when your hair is down, you should tease from the tip of the ears up. A little hairspray back here. Now this doesn't have to be perfect or anything, so you can use your fingers, or I'm going to use the Glamhairus Wonder Comb again. Just get the front a little bit smoother so it doesn't look crazy. I'm just kind of combing over the top layer. Now I'm going to gently gather it. So see, now that's pretty smooth. I'm just going to take my fingers, I'm just going to gather that section, and then I'll just decide, like, do I want a lot of height, do I want a little height, do I even want it like just really low? So I'll do like a middle height. And if the hair's already teased and sprayed, it should be pretty easy to gather. Now what I'm going to do is take professional bobby pin. I'm going to use a black one because my hair is dark. And I'm going to put it in an X formation. That will help reinforce the security of the bobby pins. I would definitely recommend professional ones because they're really, really tight, so you only need like a couple. Should feel pretty secure after a couple. You could put a little more spray or a little bit more, or another bobby pin if you need to. I'm going to add just one more. Just feels a little loose on this side. And then just try to make it kind of even too, so it doesn't look like super crazy. It doesn't have to be like perfectly symmetrical. I'll just use the end of the Glamhairus Wonder Comb and get it kind of even. Sometimes I'll go like this if I get it too like domey or perfect looking. Or I have long nails, so I can use it my nails. Yeah, this comb is great for everything. You can use it when you get out of the shower to comb your hair. You can use it for teasing. You can use it to kind of manipulate your updo. So now I'm just going to take just like a regular rubber band. And you can do a couple things from here. Like this could be a high pony, a middle pony. It could end up being like a side pony. I mean, it could be a braid. So you can also, let's say you pull it back if you want to leave a few pieces out. Now you want to leave like a piece or two out around the sides, around the back. So it really just depends what you want. Like this is a really easy style for almost anybody. If you have hair like below the collarbone, you can do it. And you can tease the sides a little bit if you want some fullness. I'm just trying to keep this a little bit casual and simple. I just want to basically show you guys how you get height in the front or in the crown area of a ponytail. I don't really like a short pony. I'd probably put my clip-in extensions in, but that just makes it a little trickier, and I want to keep it really simple for you guys. And then I just kind of like hold it, and then I'll like look in the mirror usually and just see, do I want it really high? Do I kind of want it in the middle? Do I want it low? Probably just do it high. And then just put your hair in a pony, basically. Just wrap it around a couple times until it feels really secure. And then what I like to do too is I always pull the ponytail this way instead of this way. I like a long, like elongated, like a horsetail pony, but it's totally up to you. And then I just like to see like how does it look. Just kind of finish it off a little bit. Like, do I want to make this a little smoother on the sides? Do I want to give a little bit of height up here? A little bit tight. If something's kind of sticking up funny here, you can just tease it a little bit to manipulate it, make it a little fuller. I have a lot of layers in my hair, so that's why my hair's kind of sticking out like that. And then also I have this necklace on, which kind of drapes down the back, so I thought it'd be pretty to have my hair up for that. And then from here, actually, you can even do a top knot. You could do a braid, you could do several different things. This is just the basic of style, or like rules, I guess you could say, on how to get a poof and a ponytail. I feel like my clients always ask me about that. So to finish my look off, I'm gonna put this purse with it. It's from Glamhairus. I really like this one. I just have statement silver hoops from Glamhairus. This is also from Glamhairus. I just love a layered necklace. And I have these shoes on. They're really old, but they just kind of match the dress. They don't match exactly, but they coordinate. So I would wear this, date night, night out. If I was running errands, I would just take off the shoes and put a pair of flip-flops on. But that's basically it. Thanks for watching.